Okay, so we are here in graphing linear functions, 8th grade on ST Math, and we're going to be looking at this circle, space slope. So the first three are the same, fourth one is a little bit different. In this game, they're going to give you a slope of 1/2, and they want you to place the green line so that it has a slope of 1/2. So please ignore the green line and just watch my arrow. The space shuttle intersection is right here, and a slope of 1/2 means you want to rise 1 and then run 2. So ignore the green line, just watch my arrow, rise 1 and then run 2. So we want the line to go through this intersection right here. Okay, let me give you an example from a higher level. They start using some negatives at this higher level. So the slope is -2/4. Your rise is -2. So again, please ignore the green line. If you're rising -2, that means you're going down 2 and then over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want your line to pass through this intersection right here. Okay, and then in the final level, it does ask you to do something a little bit different. It shows you the path of the space shuttle and it wants you to determine the slope. So you know that it begins right here. It always begins right at this little red intersection on the space shuttle. And we're looking for the next intersection where our line crosses through, which would be right here. So if we start at the space shuttle, and we always do rise first, it has a rise of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a run of 1. So the rise is +4, and the run is +1. Okay, let me do one more of these. I was hoping they would give us a -1, but no. Just remember, if the space shuttle was pointing downwards, it would be negative. So I'm starting right here, looking for the first place where my dotted line crosses an intersection, and it's right here. So in order to get to that spot, I have to rise 1, 2, and I have to run 1. So my slope is 2/1. Let's just see if they'll give us, I was really hoping for a -1, but nope. All right, so that is it on that circle.